Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and the author of many books on drawing cartoons. There's a fun character type I'd like to show you how to draw today. I always like this character type. It's the know-it-all, who always gets the answer right in class and lets you know how smart he is. So let's put the ear down here, thin neck, flat back, pretty flat top, and kind of rounded front. Now it doesn't have to be exactly this, but let's start like that. And we'll give him also a bow tie. Now we'll have a center line going like this, and the eye line kind of low. Let's start with big rounded glasses. The know-it-all is a smart character. And as a smart character, he probably has bad eyesight. I don't know why that's always the case. But in cartoons, if you're smart, you're nearsighted. So he's nearsighted. Now let's have the eyes closed and going down, because that is an expression of being smug. Bring the eyebrows pointed up, also an expression like that. And I'm going to use this afterwards, make it darker. Bring the bridge of the nose down a little bit, like this. And now we have here for a little self-satisfied expression. There we go. Bring the bottom lip forward. Bring it forward. You see, that's not back, it's forward, which gives him that sort of like, oh, I know something you don't know kind of thing. All right, so we'll put a part right here and kind of random bumps following the hairline. Bring this up over the head. You want to add mass onto the head with the hair. Straighten that out. Put a little connector here. Arm here, and I think that we can now fill this in and see what we have. Let's start with the glasses. Because they're circles, they can get a little tricky, or ovals. Now, if you don't get it exactly right, believe me, the viewer isn't going to sit there and say, I really like your cartoon, but that lens for those glasses, that wrecked it for me. So really, don't worry. It's the overall accumulation of good choices that makes a good cartoon. Now you notice something I did here. I made this lens thinner because of perspective. As a character turns this way, and it's turned this way, this lens goes from being flat toward us to sideways, to closer to sideways, and so it loses its mass. And by indicating that, you cue the audience in as to that it's a real person, has depth, that kind of stuff. I'll bring this nose up a little bit, flare that nostril a little. And I'm also not going to draw inside of this lens at all. You can't erase it completely, but I'm not going to draw inside that. This is going to start here and pick up over here. It's a stylistic thing. Okay, so let me bring that little smile up, not too much. Like so. That ear off the side. I'm thinning it out just to make it look a little more stylish. Bring that flatness back to the neck and down. He does not have much in the way of shoulder material. Here is the bow tie. Connector. The arm for the glasses, and the other arm you don't even have to connect them to the lens. The reader will know what you're doing. Part in the side, bring it up, kind of random bumps back down the hairline. Bring this down, and with some more bumps, and flopping over. It's gravity does that. You can actually add a little shadow under the hair, because the light from above hits it, causes a shadow. And we'll bring this up. So now that part breaks in both directions. And some more random lines. And we'll straighten this out, just give a little edge to it. So there you go. There is the know-it-all type character that we've all run into in school. I hope you enjoyed that and that you subscribe, because I've got new videos every week. And if you want to learn how to draw, you can buy any of my books at Michael's, Barnes & Noble's, Joanne, Hobby Lobby, and independent booksellers, and Amazon. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.